Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 20 stocks including Varun Beverages, MSTC, KSB, etc. Those have announced split, dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. MSTC Limited share is trading around rupees 510. MSTC announced a dividend of rupees 4.5 per share. 2nd April is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Asiana Housing Limited, Asiana share is trading around rupees 293. Asiana Housing announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. 28th April is fixed as the ex-date and record date for the dividend. Unifins Capital India Limited, current market price rupees 595. Unifins announced a dividend of 50 paise per share. 4th April is fixed as the ex-date and record date for the dividend. United Spirits Limited, current market price rupees 1401. United Spirits announced a dividend of rupees 4 per share. 3rd April is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Ranjit Mechatronics Limited share is trading around rupees 50. Ranjit Mechatronics announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 21st April 2025. ADC India Communications Limited, current market price rupees 1387. ADC India announced a dividend of rupees 25, that is 250% per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 2nd April 2025. Varun Beverages Limited, VBL, current market price rupees 540. Company announced a dividend of 50 paise per share. 4th April is fixed as the ex-date and record date. PH Capital Limited, current market price rupees 205. PH Capital announced a dividend of 25 paise per share. 4th April is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Pervasive Commodities Limited, current market price rupees 12 per share. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 100 shares of Pervasive Commodities, your 100 shares convert to 1000 shares. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 7th April 2025. Acme Fintrade India Limited, AFIL, share is trading around rupees 65. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. 18th April is fixed as the record date for the stock split. Mercury Trade Links Limited, current market price rupees 23. Mercury Trade Links also announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Mercury Trade Links. AMI Organics Limited, AMI-OG, current market price rupees 2441. AMI Organics announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 25th April 2025. ABB India Limited, ABB, current market price rupees 5546. ABB India announced a dividend of rupees 33.5 per share. 3rd May is fixed as the record date for the dividend. Vesuvius India Limited, Vesuvius, current market price rupees 4554. Vesuvius India announced a dividend of rupees 14.5 per share. 1st May is fixed as the record date for the dividend. KSB Limited, KSB, current market price rupees 714. KSB announced a dividend of rupees 4 per share. Record date for the dividend is fixed as 2nd May 2025. CIE Automotive India Limited, CIE India, current market price rupees 398. CIE India announced a dividend of rupees 7 per share. 23rd April is fixed as the record date for the dividend. CRISIL Limited, CRISIL, current market price rupees 4179. CRISIL announced a dividend of rupees 26 per share. 11th April is fixed as the record date for the dividend. Railtel Corporation of India Limited, Railtel, current market price rupees 303. Company announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. 2nd April is fixed as the record date for the dividend. SBC Export Limited, SBC, current market price rupees 12.5. SBC announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 100 shares of SBC Export, your 100 shares convert to 200 shares. Ex-date and record date for the stock split is fixed as 10th May 2025. Sanofi India Limited, Sanofi, current market price rupees 5,725. Sanofi India announced a dividend of rupees 117 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 25th April 2025. Sanofi Consumer Healthcare India Limited, current market price rupees 4,827. Company announced a dividend of rupees 55 per share. 28th April is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Elendas Beck Limited, current market price rupees 9,734. Elendas Beck announced a dividend of rupees 7.5 per share. Ex-date and record date is yet to be announced by Elendas Beck. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.